Hey everyone, imagine you're cruising down the highway, and suddenly your transmission feels sluggish, shifts hard, or even goes into limp mode. You grab your OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0938 appears. This code relates to a hydraulic pressure unit control circuit high, which means your car's transmission fluid pressure isn't being controlled properly. In this video, I'll break down what this code means, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0938? DTC P0938 stands for Hydraulic Pressure Unit Control Circuit High. This means the electrical circuit controlling the hydraulic pressure unit is sending a high voltage signal, which can lead to erratic gear shifting, overheating, or transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0938. If your car has this code, you might notice hard or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping or jerking, overheating transmission fluid. Check engine light or transmission warning light, vehicle stuck in limp mode, sensor and component location, very important. To diagnose and fix P0938, you need to know where these key components are. Hydraulic pressure unit, HPU, pressure control, solenoid location. Found inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission fluid pump. Function, regulates fluid pressure to ensure smooth shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually located under the dashboard, inside the fuse box, or in the engine bay. Function, sends signals to the hydraulic pressure unit to adjust fluid pressure. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the HPU, TCM, and battery. Function, transfers electrical signals for pressure control. What causes P0938? Here are the most common reasons for this code. 1. Faulty hydraulic pressure unit, pressure control solenoid, stuck open, causing excess pressure. 2. Shorted or damaged wiring, high voltage signals due to damaged wires. 3. Faulty transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect signals. 4. Contaminated transmission fluid, causing solenoid blockages. 5. Overheated transmission, can damage the solenoid and electrical circuit. How to fix P0938? Follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Step 1. Check the hydraulic pressure unit, pressure control solenoid. Use a multimeter to check voltage readings. If readings are too high, replace the solenoid. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for shorted, broken, or corroded wires. Step 3. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is dirty or contaminated, replace it and flush the system. Step 4. Test the transmission control module, TCM. Scan for additional codes to check if the TCM is faulty. Step 5. Inspect for transmission overheating. Ensure the cooling system and transmission cooler are functioning properly. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code with an OBD-II scanner and check if the issue is resolved. Final words. If your transmission is shifting rough, slipping, or overheating, don't ignore P0938. Check the hydraulic pressure unit, wiring, and transmission fluid to keep your car running smoothly. For more troubleshooting and fixes, check out these videos. P0742, torque converter, clutch circuit stuck on P0743, torque converter clutch solenoid circuit electrical. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.